Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a basic business website using Wix. So we shall go to google.com and search for Wix. You can see here wix.com, so we shall just click on it. So from here you'll be redirected to Wix website builder homepage. When you scroll down, you can read about Wix, how you can create your websites and all that. So now what we are going to do is we shall click on get started, and Wix will ask you to sign up with your email. You can enter your email, type your email again, create a password, and then confirm password, and then click on sign up. Alternatively, you can also sign in with your Google account or your Facebook account. So let's use our Google account. Choose your account and it will be loading. And then after that, you will be asked a couple of questions. Who are you creating a website for? So let's choose for my friend and then click on continue. So Wix has also been integrated with AI. For now, we shall just go straight to basic setup. So it's asking you what type of website do you want to create. It's gonna be a business website. Let's type business and then press continue. So it will be preparing your dashboard. So it will ask you, what would you call your website name? So I'll call it Fanny's Laundry. Then click on continue. What are the goals for your website? You can choose all that is required. Offer services, promote my business, collect leads, build a community, and then press continue. So it's asking you apps you'd like to add. Maybe we can add bookings and also blog. We can also add forms and then click on continue. Then you're all set up. So we shall continue to our dashboard. So let's set up the business. So it's asking us to connect to custom domain. For now, we don't have a custom domain yet. So let's add our service. You can see there are a couple of services here: discovery call, coaching, courses, etc. We shall choose price estimate. Since it's a cleaning service, so we shall change this, or let's specify carpet cleaning. Then you can write a description. Here's an AI generator. So duration, you can set 30 minutes. You can choose how you want clients to pay with a plan. We shall use custom price, which is free. And then location. If you make it online, you need to add a video conferencing account. So you click there and add. And then after that, click on save. So we shall go back to the beginning. Let's set up your business. So we are going to set our working hours. So there are default hours. This is Saturday. We are working half day. And then click on save. So we shall go to design our website. So here you have two options. You can let Wix create a site for you or customize already designed template. So let's go to get started. So you can add your logo there if you have. Just simply click here. Choose a logo if you do have it. For now, we don't have any yet. So we shall enter address. Enter your phone number or email if you have any. And then click on next. So it will ask you to pick a theme you like. So I'm going to choose fresh. And then click next. So it will be preparing our homepage designs. So let's choose this and then click next. So the next stage is choose pages you want. We may need about us page. We may also need the service page. We may need the contact page. We may need the testimonials page. So let's scroll down and see. So those are all the pages we need for now. If you're selling products, you can choose the product page. So for now, let's just click next. So it will be adding our pages. So our site is now up and running. So let's view live site. You can see it has created for you a subdomain. And so this is how the website looks like. Since we're using the free version of Wix, you will see that it will have this. This site was designed with Wix. Create your website today. So now let's go back and edit our website. We have to change a few things. So Wix will take you through a quick tour on how to use this, but we can just cancel this. So now we are on our home page. To edit an item, you click on that item. To change background, you click the item, strip background, color, and from here you can see the different colors. So we shall pick that color. To change the title, you click on the title or click on the item here, which is right here. Get your cleaning done fast. So when we scroll down, we have a column background. So we are going to change this image. So we can search for an image here. We are going to search the word cleaning. Click on that, then click on change background. You can see it has been changed. So we scroll down to this section. This is a blog section. Click on manage posts, create post. So we are creating a dummy content here, how to effectively wash duvets. So I'll just paste some content here, and then after that click publish. You can also promote your blog post, but this is not for now. Let's close that. So here you can see we have our post here. Let's give it an image, a featured image. So we're gonna click on edit, go to settings, click on featured image, then we search for duvets. So you can see there is one here. So let's click on it and add to page. So we shall make it feature this post. After that, click publish. Let's go back to the editor. So now let's scroll down, click on this section. So there's a section for blog feed. So we can click on that section and let's move it down. And then section for book a service. Let's just move it up and again move it up and again move it up. Now for now, let's first click on publish, then we shall come back and add services. So when you come back to our site and refresh, you can see our changes have been reflected and our website is in that way. So now let's go back and add more services. Go to manage services. So we shall click on add new service and we click on start from scratch, and the service type is appointments that it's booked. So the service name, we shall call it washing and dry cleaning. We shall write a tagline and also write the description, and then we shall add the image from media from Wix. And then we shall search for washing. Let's search for washing clothes. Scroll down, we can choose that, add to page. Duration, we choose on custom. We can say 4 hours. We check this. Amount, let's say maybe $75 they can pay in person, or it's in Ugandan shillings, so let's say 100,000. It is varied or custom location. Click on save, then click on save here. Then we shall add another service. We use the same process, duvet and blankets cleaning. We shall just copy that and paste, copy that and paste. Add an image from media, search for blankets. You can choose that, add to page. Duration, we shall say custom. Let's do 26 hours. Then click on save. So when we go back to our website and refresh, scroll down, you can see all our services have been updated here. So this appears twice, so let's remove it. Let's go back to our service. Let's just remove and then edit this to carpets cleaning. Edit image. We remove image, then add a new one. We search for carpets. When I go back and refresh, you can see our service section has been updated. We go back to edit site. We shall scroll down, click on this section, put it up, click on quick edit to the footer. Now back to the header, we need to remove some things. So when you go to the header, click on more actions, change header design. You can choose from the available themes on the right hand side. And then we don't need these search icons. So we shall just click on it, right click, and then click on delete. And then we don't need this shop icon. So we shall right click on it, delete it as well. Then we click on manage menu. Let's hide this. We can move them around depending on where you want them to be. You can move contacts all the way to the end. After making those changes, we click on publish. So now let's view our website once again. So when I go to about, it will take us to about us page. To customize this, you go back and edit about us page just the same way we did to the home page. To put in our own services, you just go in and edit the service page, testimonials, blog, You can see we have one blog already. When we click on it, you can see that's how our blog page looks. So let's go back to the home page. It's fine. Now let's go back to website builder and then go to page, click on about us. So from about us page, we can change this to what we want. Make sure you use these elements. You can add element, add sections, pages and menu, site design, apps, etc. You click on layout, and this is how you can play around with layouts of your section. So to change a particular item, we shall just click and then edit text from the right hand side. So to add a new section, I'll click on add section, and then you'll see section templates on the left hand side. Let's try to click on business info. We can choose a template, drag it and drop it there. Change background, image. So the image goes to the background. And then we can also manage columns. Change column background, image. To change text, click on that item, edit text. Our laundry. We have the best laundry service in town. Then the button, link the button. We can choose a page, service page, done. And then button text, we can change it to view services. And then click on publish. So when we go back and refresh our website, you can see this is how our home page looks. When we go to about us, you can see that's how it looks now. And when we go to services, the other services, there are still more customizations that you can do on this website. If you want to see me do those customizations, write down in the comments so that I can make a video for you. For example, you can see things like links, search engine optimization, etc. Make sure you subscribe for a follow-up video on this series. Thank you.